One-step equations multiplication level 2. Solve for W. You must write your answer in fully simplified form. So again, you see where it says fully simplified. I'm going to just caution you that before you put in your final answer, make sure it's not something that can't reduce or simplify. Okay, so step 1, write the original equation, which is 11W equals 12. We're going to split the equation into two sides, a left side and a right side, but we're going to draw a vertical line through the equal sign. So now that we have a clear, distinct way of organizing our information. On the left, I have the W, and I needed to get rid of the number that's in front of that. Please recall from our earlier lessons that a number in front of the variable is really just the same thing as the number multiplied by the variable. So this 11W can be read as 11 multiplied by W. In that case, the inverse to multiply by 11 is to divide by 11. But as we've done in the past, whatever you do to one side, you should also do to the other. Then I'm going to draw my horizontal line, and now I'm going to simplify that equation because the step that I just did was divide by 11 on both sides. Again, 11 divided by 11. Please remember that 11 divided by 11 is equal to the number 1, and 1 multiplied by W is just W. So I have W is equal to, now the question we want to ask ourselves is, does 12 and 11, do they share any common factors? And the answer to that is the only thing that we can divide 12 and 11 by that would be the same would be the 1 over 1, but that's still going to result in 12 over 11. So it's not going to simplify. But again, you should always try to see if it'll simplify. So in this case, W is equal to 12 over 11, and we'll box that. One-step equations multiplication level 2, solve for Y. You must write your answer in fully simplified form. So write 15 is equal to negative 10 multiplied by Y. We're going to split our equation drawing a vertical line down the middle, and I will get rid of this negative 10 multiplied by 11 by dividing by a negative 10 multiplied by Y. We're going to get rid of this multiplied by negative 10 by dividing by negative 10 on both sides. Then we'll draw our horizontal line, and we will now simplify that equation. On the left, I have 15 over negative 10. I'm going to bring down the equal sign. And on the right side, recall that negative 10 over negative 10 is 1, and 1 multiplied by Y is going to simplify to Y. Now I'm not going to box this because I want to caution you. You want to see if 15 and negative 10 have any common factors. And I know that negative 15 and positive 10 can both divide by the number 5. So in this case, negative 15 divided by 5 still leaves me with a negative 3. And 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this simplified form would be negative 3 over 2 is equal to Y would be the final answer. 15 over negative 10 is equal to Y. Unfortunately, they did say simplify, so if you don't simplify, that will be wrong. All right, let's try one more. And I'll give you a hint. It's going to simplify, so just some practice with that. Solve for W. You must write your answer in fully simplified form. So negative 12W equals 8. We're going to split our equation in half by drawing a vertical line. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this negative 12 multiplied by W by dividing by negative 12 on the left and on the right. We're now going to simplify the equation. Negative 12 over negative 12, as you recall earlier, that's going to simplify to 1. 1 multiplied by W is W. Now we just have to ask ourselves if 8 over negative 12 simplifies. And let's see, they both divide by 2. Actually, 4 would be a larger one. So 8 divided by 4 would be 2. And negative 12 divided by 4 would give me negative 3. So the final answer is W is equal to 2 over negative 3. And there you have it.